Why Nikon Z5 might be the only full-frame camera you'll ever need. Yes, even for video. Let's be real. If you've been dragging around a chunky DSLR or fiddling with some clunky camera setup that's supposed to be portable, you've probably hit your breaking point. Missed shots, shaky footage, settings overload, and don't even get us started on cameras that say they're for video but turn into pixel soup in low light. You wanted to create, not troubleshoot. And with your current setup? You're stuck in a tech nightmare when all you wanted was to capture real-life magic, crisply, beautifully, effortlessly. Now multiply that frustration. Imagine being out in the city, chasing golden hour vibes, and bam! You missed the shot cause your rig's too bulky or just too slow. Or you're halfway through a dreamy B-roll sequence and the camera starts overheating, killing your flow and your mood. Creative burnout? It's real. Missed deadlines, botched edits, and the creeping dread that maybe, just maybe, you picked the wrong gear for the job. If it feels like your camera is holding your talent hostage, you're not alone. But here's where Nikon Z5 kicks down the creative block like a boss. This compact full-frame mirrorless beauty isn't just lightweight, it's a full-on game-changer. Paired with the 24 to 50mm zoom lens, it's the ultimate grab-and-go kit for anyone serious about stunning stills and cinematic video. We're talking 24.3 MP of sensor goodness, 4K UHD magic, eye detection AF that actually works, even on pets, and buttery 5-axis in-body stabilization that makes handheld feel gimbal smooth. Simple, powerful, and slicker than your ex's excuses, this is your new creative ride or die. Whether you're shooting interiors, street, portraits or vlogs, the Nikon Z5 has your back. The streamlined interface gets out of your way so you can actually shoot, while the compact zoom covers all your everyday needs. Insane low-light performance? Check. Clean 4K with shallow depth of field? Absolutely. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, webcam ready? Yep, and hell yes. So if you're craving a camera that works as hard as you do, minus the drama, hit play and let's break it down. Don't sleep on this one. Thousands of creators are already ditching the bulky nonsense and upgrading to the sleek power of Nikon's Z5. This isn't just a camera, it's your full-frame freedom pass. But heads up, gear this compact doesn't stay on shelves long. So if you're ready to stop fumbling and start flexing, click that link, join the Nikon fam, and let your vision run wild. This is your sign. Don't miss it, shoot smarter, travel lighter, and create like a legend. Let's go.